Can you put a memory foam mattress on the floor? If you're considering placing your memory foam mattress directly on the floor, you're probably weighing the pros and cons. Let's break it down to help you make an informed decision. First, it's important to understand the material of your mattress. Memory foam, which includes polyurethane and memory foam, is designed to provide excellent comfort and support. However, when it comes to placing it on the floor, there are some significant considerations. One of the main issues with putting a memory foam mattress on the floor is that it can trap heat and moisture. This is because foam naturally retains more heat compared to other types of mattresses, like inner spring or hybrid mattresses. When on the floor, this can lead to an uncomfortably warm sleeping surface, especially in warmer months. Additionally, the trapped moisture can encourage the growth of mold and mildew, which is not only unpleasant but also unhealthy. Another critical point is the impact on the mattress's longevity. Foam mattresses need proper support to maintain their shape and durability. When placed directly on the floor, the foam can crush down and degrade more quickly than it would on a proper foundation. This means your mattress might not last as long as it could if it were supported correctly. Checking your mattress warranty is also crucial. Many manufacturers specify that using an improper foundation, including placing the mattress on the floor, can void the warranty. So, before making any decisions, it's essential to read through your warranty terms and follow the manufacturer's instructions. If you still prefer the idea of having your mattress on the floor, there are some alternatives you can consider. For example, you can place a layer of plywood, foam, or cardboard between the mattress and the floor. This helps insulate the mattress and keeps it from directly touching the floor, which can improve airflow and reduce the risk of mold and mildew. In summary, while it is technically possible to put a memory foam mattress on the floor, it is not the best option due to the potential for heat and moisture retention, faster degradation of the mattress, and possible warranty issues. If you're looking for a minimalist setup, consider using a mattress type that is better suited for floor placement, such as inner spring or hybrid mattresses, or use a proper foundation to support your memory foam mattress.